From novice to pro, uncover the best options strategy for maximum profits. The Best Options Strategy on YouTube offers valuable insights into trading options and maximizing profits. In this chapter, viewers will learn about different approaches and techniques that can help them navigate the options market effectively. Options are financial contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. They offer flexibility and potential for higher returns compared to traditional stock trading. One popular strategy is called covered call writing. This involves selling call options on stocks you already own. By doing so, you collect premium income from the option buyer while still maintaining ownership of the stock. This strategy can be beneficial when you have a neutral or slightly bullish outlook on the stock's performance. It allows you to generate additional income and potentially sell your stock at a profit if it reaches the strike price. Another commonly used strategy is buying protective puts. This strategy is employed as insurance against potential losses in a stock position. Another commonly used strategy is known as the straddle. With this strategy, traders simultaneously purchase both a call option and a put option with the same strike price and expiration date. The goal is to profit from significant price movements in either direction. Be sure to visit the link in the description to get option trading alerts and plus training to help you get the biggest profits.